Now, over in St. Thomas, residents in Bamboo River have been evacuating. Jamaica Maitland tells us why.
Welcome to Bamboo River. It's a small, informal community located in Morant Bay in St. Thomas. It's located very close to the sea, and if you listen closely, you'll hear the waves crashing along the shore. In fact, I'm standing on the roadway and the sea is slowly creeping in. Now, residents have used this narrow makeshift bridge to get from one side to the next, going to one of the only available shops that is open in the community. But believe it or not, one misstep could result in me falling in chest-deep water. And so, I'm going back to the other side.
Antonio Williams, a resident of Bamboo River in St. Thomas, sticks a pole in a gully to show the depth of the water that residents have to cross.
You look over there, if that further, you have to sit right in there because it's full of.
The dangerous trek across the gully is made worse by rising sea level from Hurricane Melissa, and there have been a few notable accidents.
I'm on Jack down tonight. Drop off of this and Jack down tonight. I'm here to say, that man up recover.
Beyond the makeshift bridge are homes with residents like Kelvin, who says he's not evacuating. He is, however, leaving to make several trips to check on his business establishment in the town center.
I feel like, say, you get the left side.
Okay.
We're not the east side, we feel like we'll get the left side, but we must get touched.
For Michelle, however, she's not staying any longer.
The shelter where I go.
So you made a decision to evacuate?
Yes, me I come out because I can't swim and the river the back away now, not right.
With her bag of personal items on her shoulder and a gallon of water weighing her down, Michelle says this storm reminds her of Hurricane Gilbert close to 40 years ago.
And Gilbert did come and me first reach up at the school.
Really?
Yeah, they said then I'm over. After one them I feel lift up. Yeah. Me not stay.
Not staying because her yard is already overrun by storm water, pushing her out as if she were a visitor in her own home.
Surreal scenes here in the back of a yard in Bamboo River in Morant Bay, where the sea has almost transformed the landscape. Palm trees look as if they're floating. I'm standing in the back of the yard. It was a playground for children, a playpen still for animals that have been secured there. Now beyond that are about 2 to 3 homes. They've since been battened down. Residents told me that they have evacuated. Now for those though who live to the front of the yard, they're waiting to see. This is one of the areas that we will be monitoring even as Hurricane Melissa makes landfall in Jamaica.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.